Hello and welcome to Saxon Lesson 1. Lesson 1 is going to be called Comparing and Ordering Integers. We have some things to talk about first. First of all, integers are counting numbers and their opposites. So basically, an integer is all numbers. Okay? So you're going to want to make sure you know this. Integers are all numbers. Counting numbers, on the other hand, are all numbers, whole numbers, including 1, 2, 3, and their opposites. So -1, -2, and -3. Notice what number is not there. 0 is not there. Whole numbers, on the other hand, are integers that include 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. That's the kind of infinity sign there. Now, when we work with these things, when we talk about a set, we talk about set of integers or set of whole numbers, we use these things called brackets, these little guys down here. And yours might look a little better or a little worse than mine, but that's still what it looks like. And we're back to some more review here. You've probably seen this before with these two lines. That shouldn't be a 51, that should come on. Looks like that. That's the absolute value of -5. The absolute value of any number is always what? Positive. Always positive. That is the absolute value of every number. Every number's absolute value, so the absolute value of 7 is 7. The absolute value of -3,275,000 is 3,275,000. Let's take a look at some practice problems. I'm looking on page 9 in your book if you want to follow along. We've got some integers here. Practice set in letter A. We've got -4, 3, 2, -1, and 0. And they want you to put that in least to greatest order. So in this case, we would start with -4, and then we would go with -1, and then 0, and 2, and 3. That would be the correct answer there. Letter B, which number in problem A is an even number but not a whole number? So, would not be this one, not this one, not this one, and not this one, because if you recall, whole numbers are 0 and above, so that only leaves that one, which is -4. Let's take a look at another problem here. In this case, we're going to do -2, is it greater than, equal to, or less than -4? I kind of like to think sometimes of the negative problems like this. If you owe somebody $2 or you owe somebody $4, which one do you owe more money to? Obviously, you owe more money to the person for 4, but you might think, well, wait a minute. Does that mean that that is bigger? No. In this case, you would have more money by owing somebody $2 instead of 4. So in this case, your answer should look like that. All right, your homework is lesson 1, 1 through 20.